The easiest way to make $10,000 a month as a digital marketing consultant is to get a high-paying digital marketing job and then also have a client that you're freelancing with, right? So if you wanted to make 10K a month, you would want to ideally get a job in an SEO agency or a PPC agency that can pay you anywhere around $80,000 a year. And then you would also want to go figure out what clients you can serve that can pay you an additional $40,000, right? And then obviously that would be your 10K a month. But what I will say is that it's not necessarily the thing of trying to figure out if you can do it. It's a matter of figuring out what's the type of client that you're going to work with. So you want to work with clients that are more high end, that I would say. So like, for example, you might want to work with B2B clients, or you might, if you're going to work with clients that focus on consumers or people, then you might want to work with attorneys, doctors, dentists, stuff like that, because you can justify the amount of money that you're charging. So it's easy. If you have one client that focuses on, if you have one job and you also have a client that you can sell for, $3,000 a month or something like that, you can easily hit your goal. But if you're trying to do it independently as a consultant, then I would say the quickest way to getting to 10K a month is consulting, right? So a lot of the times people try to sell courses and stuff like that, and I think courses are great supplemental income. But if you really want to hit 10K a month, people are willing to pay you way more to consult them than to buy a product from you. And then on top of that, the lifespan of that consulting, of that engagement with that client, will last a lot longer. So if you want to make 10K a month as a digital marketing consultant, consult people.